If you are running a dropshipping store, you understand how important it is for you to get the funds, because in most cases we use the same money that came from the customer to fulfill the order. If you use a payment gateway that's going to hold your funds, if you use a payment gateway that's going to take much of your profits, you're not going to be able to make profit with your dropshipping store. So you need a payment gateway that's reliable, a payment gateway that can deposit money into your bank within like 2 days. And it needs to be a payment gateway that won't take too much of your profits. So in this video, we're going to discuss about which way you can accept credit cards on your Shopify store without losing much, without waiting too much for your money to hit your bank. So let's say you're in the situation where you don't have documents, or you just live in a country where it's so hard to get a payment gateway. You can actually use other people's documents or other people's business that are already out there to get Shopify payments enabled on your Shopify store. This allows you to accept orders without stress, and as soon as the customer pays, Shopify will start processing the money to your bank. This means the money will get into your bank within 2 to 3 days. The money goes direct to your bank, and you can pay your suppliers from your bank. Unlike PayPal, if you are using PayPal, then the money is going to go to your PayPal account, then you're going to transfer from your PayPal account to your bank. That's going to cut so much of your profits. And PayPal doesn't like drop shipping that much. If they decide they want to hold your funds, they can just hold your funds. If they decide they want to close your account, they can close the account and hold the funds for like 6 months. That's terrible, especially if you're drop shipping. Now, you need this money to fulfill your orders. So if you use Shopify payments, they will deposit the money within 2 days into your bank, direct into your bank. And the other good thing about Shopify payments is that you can get Shopify payments from wherever you. It doesn't matter. You might be living in India, or you might be living in Pakistan, or you might be living in Bangladesh. You can still be able to activate Shopify payments from wherever you are. The only thing that you need is your bank account, so you can attach your bank account to your Shopify store when people like us enable Shopify payments on your store. This is a thing that I've been doing for long now. I've been working with a lot of people activating Shopify payments for them. So I do have enough experience with what I'm talking about.